Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC. Happy New Year. It's January 1st and I'm gonna do a maiden flight. See the box here, UMX Eratix. I got this as a Christmas present from my wife and I'm really excited to fly it. I was planning on doing the UMX Turbo Timber first, but it's getting pretty dark. It's almost 5 p.m. so I'm gonna lose daylight fast. So I have lights on the Turbo Timber. I'm gonna do the Eratix first, maiden flight, hope everything goes well. One thing I noticed that I don't like, just look at this, it's 450 millimeters. The Turbo Timber I think is 700 millimeters, and the box is bigger on the Eratix. How they managed to do that, I don't know. And here it is. I just got it bound and set up. Well, I think one of the reasons is they lay it like this flat instead of diagonally like they usually do on planes. And the second thing I don't like is the old style battery connector, but fortunately I had an adapter made for that a long time ago. And this is the plane. It's really thin, really light. I think they say, I don't know, something 85 grams with the battery, so it's a covered foam and it's really thin, only covered on the top. That surprised me. I had no idea. And the fuselage, yeah, that's covered on both sides. Linear servos, as you would expect with a UMX. The board here, the prop, it also has a prop saver mechanism. This is supposed to pop off if you strike the ground. So yeah, that's all it has for now. I'm thinking maybe adding some lights to it. I don't know, it has one extra port there. I think I saw a video of a guy who added some UMX lights to it, but I would want something more like full lights to light it up. I have these batteries I got from CNHL, 250 2S. They recommend a 300 2S, but those batteries from Spectrum are really expensive, so I thought I'd just remove this connector and use a GST. But since I have this adapter, these come only with a balance lead. I think that's only it's mostly to save weight, so I'm gonna use these. I'll get everything connected and try and maiden this. Wish me luck. Okay, here it goes. I'm in safe. Those are high rates. Without safe, even more travel. So, okay, I'll use safe. Start with mid rates or low. Yeah, let's go with low. Throttle cut off, and here goes nothing. Oh, that's safe. And it's up. Wow, okay. I was expecting it to shoot up, but it didn't. And what do you know, it flies like a plane. What? Batteries are already yelling at me. It's pretty cold. -6, -7 Celsius. Ooh, 6.8 volts. What the heck? These batteries may be duds. I do have another. Okay, 7.1. Come on, I want to get it out of safe. Okay, mid rates. Wow. Okay, this is pretty amazing, guys. I'm gonna be honest. It's what I expected and better. I'm really scared of this battery. So yeah, probably gonna need to switch to JST and use the... Oh wait, actually I don't have Spectrum, but I do have some old Turnigis that I use in other older UMX planes. Okay, it's giving me the low battery warning. 7.3. Huh. I don't think I even set a timer on this. But that's why I like having telemetry, guys. Okay, well, it's 7.456 now. That's strange. Oh, what's my timer say? Not even 2 minutes. Well, I have the second battery, so I'll switch it to that and try again. Okay, battery number 2. It's already showing 8.2 volts. I don't know if it's the cold or what it is, but let's try it again. Yeah, good thing I got this in here first because it's already getting dark. I know the camera shows it lighter, brighter. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Yep, really impressive. And yeah, this battery shouting at me already. But man, what a great plane. Well done, E-flite. Lucky there's very little, if any, wind. It's been horrible the past few days. Wow, and you can fly it so low, so close. I'm staying a bit high because of the battery voltage. I don't want it to go into low voltage cutoff when I'm hovering or anything like that. Oop. I love it. So yeah, despite the huge box, the connector I absolutely do not like. Probably gonna switch to GST. Get back to safe. 6.9. And the car coming. Thought I was gonna be alone here today, but looks like there's other maniacs that can't stay home on New Year's Day. Come on, give me a few more seconds. Battery, so this car passes. I'm just gonna float around. Ooh. Come on, car, go away. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to put it down in the snow or not. Come on, car, go, 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 go. Surprised they cleared this road of snow. Partially, at least. Okay, we're clear. Landing. Woohoo! Again, 7.5 volts. Yeah, I hope I got a good shot. I'm wearing a hat. I don't usually do, but as I said, it's pretty cold. So there it is. First flights of 2026 in the books. And for the first time ever, a maiden on New Year's Day. First time for me, of course. Wow, this plane is fantastic. Fortunately, I was let down by these batteries, but I got them real cheap and along with some other batteries I needed, so I'm not worried about that. Might be the cold, might not, who knows. This is the adapter. Have my Hobby Zone Champ S Plus. It came with these connectors and it came with a battery. And of course I switched that to GST a long time ago. I had that plane 5-6 years ago when I bought it. And I made this little adapter because it also came with a tiny charger, and I made the adapter to the balance plug so I can use that to charge batteries. Didn't have a lot of equipment back then. So let me know what you think, guys. I'm honestly really impressed with this plane. I'll see what I can do about the lights, but first I have to get used to it, get confident flying it. Then I'll keep you updated. If you have any comments, questions, don't hesitate. drop them down below. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and Happy New Year! Hope everyone has a great 2026. I'll see you next time. Bye!